Thanks for calling technical support. How can I help you today?
Yeah, hello.
Hi there. How can I help you?
Yeah, this is Richard. Who's that?
This is Windows technical team, a
Uh,
Microsoft department.
yeah, I'm having a bit of bother with my computer here. I've got a blue screen with a message.
Okay. And what does that say?
It just says system detected Zeus Zeus virus or these infections or something. There's a number here. WBCKL 456 or 457 or something.
Okay. Well, what exactly you were doing when that message popped up?
I
Were you
was
trying to open any website?
Yeah, I was trying to do my banking, Bank of America.
You were doing banking when that message appears.
I was trying
All
to.
right, sir. Okay. So, do you have any option to close that message, or you're just stuck with it?
It just stuck. I'm just stuck with it.
All right. Let's do one thing. What I'm going to do is I will be guiding you through some technical steps which you have to press on your computer so that we both can go ahead and diagnose the exact problem and fix that up for you. All right?
Yeah, be fine.
I beg your pardon?
That would be good.
All right. So first of all, can I quickly confirm, is this a laptop or a desktop?
It's a
Which device
desktop.
you are using?
It's a desktop. It's a HP.
Desktop and HP.
Yeah.
All right. Let me just pull up your records on my database. Hold on. Give me a moment. All right. Is this computer registered under your name or anybody else's name?
Just me.
All right. Okay. Do one thing. First of all, please focus on your keyboard.
Yep.
On your keyboard, on the very left hand bottom corner, you must have a Windows key with four squares. The
Yeah.
Microsoft Windows key. Do you
Next.
see that?
Yeah, next to the Alt key.
See, next to the CTRL key.
Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Yep.
What you have to do is you have to press that key, and at the same time you need to press the letter R. That means both the keys together simultaneously.
Yeah. Little boxes appeared at
So
the bottom
that's
here.
a run.
Yeah.
Yes, a little box appears on your screen.
Yeah.
Is that box is empty or something is written on it?
It's empty at the moment.
You need to type in there a web name, which is www. Dot
Yeah.
C as in Charlie,
Yeah.
B as in Bravo,
Yeah.
T as in Tango,
Yeah.
T as in Tango once again,
T's in telephone. Yeah.
R as in Romeo,
For Robert. Yeah.
.com, .com.
.com.
Can you please repeat that? Yeah.
www. C for C for Charlie, B for butter, T for tree, T for tree, R for Robert. .com.
That's correct. That's perfectly correct. Now click OK, sir, from the bottom.
Connecting. Internet Explorer cannot display the web page.
Why, sir?
Sorry, I don't know why. It just says Internet Explorer cannot display the web page.
Click OK.
Isn't it OK? There's no OK. There's diagnose connection problems.
Well, Okay. Are you sure that your computer is connected with internet at the moment properly?
Um, what I'll do is I'll open a home page here. That the little home, the little house at the top. Yeah. Yeah. Google search popped up. Yeah.
Okay, Google search is up.
Yep.
Okay, do one thing. Please type on the very top white color rectangular box the address bar. Delete whatever is written over there.
Right at the top. Oh, yeah, I see it, yeah. Do I just take that out, what's in there already? Oops. Yeah, go on.
Yeah, www.
Yeah.
Dot.
Yeah.
cbttr.com.
Like before. cbttr.com. Yeah.
And then hit the enter key from your keyboard.
Internet Explorer cannot display the web page.
Which version of Windows you are using, sir? Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10?
Windows 7. I've got Google. I've got Google Chrome as well. Try that.
Yes, please open that for me. Yeah, I was about to tell you the same thing. If you have a Google Chrome, please open that.
I don't use Internet Explorer very much because I don't like it very much. Chrome is open now, but of course
well,
I've got that error. I've got that error on the screen that I can't get rid of. Chrome's got that error. The blue screen.
It's in your Google Chrome?
Yeah.
The error message you're telling me?
Yeah, the error that I called about is on Chrome. Yeah. I can't get rid of it. I can't close it.
Do one. No problem. Do one thing. From your keyboard, press the keys together once again. The Windows key with letter R. Once you see that small run box, let me know.
Yeah, that's back again. It's got www.cbttr.com in it. Yeah.
No, delete that. This time you need to type something else. Please delete that, remove that, all from that box.
Yeah, done that, yeah.
It's deleted?
Yeah.
That box is empty now?
Yeah, it's empty.
Perfect. You need to type in there H as in Harry, H as in Harry. That means 2 H's.
H for hotel and H for hotel. Yeah, did that.
Yeah, give a single space, a blank space.
Yeah.
And then another H like Harry. And let me know what comes up next. After clicking OK.
Yeah, just a minute. Right. Okay. A small box has opened up in the top right-hand corner. It says.
Yes.
It says.
And that.
This program cannot display the web page. Most likely causes you are not connected to the internet.
Okay, sir, listen to me, please.
Yeah.
You can see the name of that window, which is HTML help, which
right.
is on the very top left-hand corner
right at the
of
top,
that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just in front of that name, do you see a yellow color question mark?
Yeah, right in the corner.
Mm-hmm.
I see that box, the telephone acting up, sorry. Yes, I see that box. Hello?
Yeah. Yeah, you need to click on that yellow color question mark.
Yeah, I did that. It's come up with a lot of options.
What are What are the options you got there?
There's crikey, there's quite a few of them. There's restore, minimize, close, jump to URL, about HTML.
Yeah, what you have to do is you have to click on jump to URL.
Jump to
Click on
URL.
it.
Jump to URL. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Another little box is opened up with jump to URL in it.
Yes, jump to this URL, right?
Yeah.
You need to type in there the same web name, www, 3 times W,
www. Yeah. Dot.
dot, C as in Charlie,
Yeah.
B as in boy,
Yeah.
T as in tango, T as in tango,
T is in terrible. T is in terrible. Yeah.
R as in Romeo,
Alpha Roger. Yep.
dot com, and click OK.
Oh. Click OK. It says at the top, navigation to the web page was cancelled.
Yeah, what do you see there now?
It says navigation to the web page was cancelled. What you can try, refresh the page.
Yeah, please click on try once again.
Refresh that. Navigation to the web page was cancelled.
Okay, click on it.
There's nothing to click on. Let's just refresh this page. I'll do it again. Ah, wait a minute, something happened that time.
Click on refresh.
Yeah. Establish support connection now at the top.
That's correct. That is something which I want. That's the safest application which we use to connect our customer with us.
I see.
So please type in your name on the first box and I will give you the support key.
Okay, just a second.
Once you're done with your name, let me know. I will generate a support key for you.
There you go. That's done now.
You done with your name?
Yes.
Now please note down the support key for the second box. That is 499.
499. Yeah.
499.
Yeah.
Right? 523.
523. Yeah.
120.
120. Yeah.
I repeat that for you once again, okay?
Yeah.
The support key is 499 523 120.
Yeah.
Is that correct, sir?
Yeah.
Now hit the continue option there.
Yeah. It says start go to assist, a blue box.
Look at the bottom of that window. You will see some options there like do you want to run this file, save or cancel. Do you see that?
I've clicked on this start go to assist. Launching, initializing, connecting, starting. And other boxes. Oh, hang on. Extracting. Crikey, this is going quick. Installing.
Okay.
Verifying. Little black box has appeared at the bottom right hand side. It says Robin.
Sir, now I just sent you.
Robin Parker.
Yeah, that's my name, Robin Parker. You have to click on yes to join.
Okay.
First of all, thank you so much as you've been cooperative with me from last 10 minutes. Now your computer is properly connected with us with Microsoft Safe and Secure Server.
Uh-huh.
Now I can go ahead and diagnose the computer with you. All right.
Yeah.
Now I just request you please focus on your computer screen because now I'm going to check the message which you told me that it says some virus called on a
Yeah.
computer, right? And you told me that that message you got on Google Chrome,
Yeah,
right?
there
Let
it
me
is,
click
yeah.
on it. Let me check.
Oh,
Okay, so
sorry.
there it is. It
The
says
mouse, the
Super
mouse is,
Network and say.
the mouse is slipping. Just a minute. I've got to put the mouse down. There you are. It's down. Yep.
Now, sure, the first thing it says is system detected Zeus virus, and these infection indicate that some unauthorized file tampering has taken place on the computer, which must be diagnosed and rectified to prevent loss of personal data. That means you may lose your personal data from your computer because your computer has a virus, which is not good for your personal information. And
Yeah.
then it says that this infection indicates that some unauthorized file has tampering has taken place on the computer, some unknown files you have on your computer, and all because of that softwares and files you may lose your computer details, your important stuff from your computer, right?
Yeah.
First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the Microsoft services and drivers because whenever we have any computer problem in Windows computer, the first thing what we check is Microsoft drivers and services
I see.
because the drivers and services are something which is very important. All right.
Yeah.
Let me just check the drivers. Here we go. You can see there I just clicked on drivers, and as I told you that drivers are something which is very important. Why? Because with the help of drivers only you can operate your computer, you can give a command to your computer. So that's the drivers of the computer. You can see the name, the file name, description name, everything is there, right? These are thousands of services and drivers which should be in a running condition. Let me check the status of your drivers. Hold on. Oh God, look at that. Do you see the last column over there, state?
Yeah.
What do you see below there?
Well, it's quite a few stopped, isn't there? It's quite a few.
Sir, all these drivers, yes, all these drivers are supposed to be, supposed to running there. But you can see there, most of them are running and, sorry,
Yeah.
some of them are running and most of them are stopped, right? You can see there.
What does
So that
manual?
is something which is
Yeah. What does manual mean?
manually, that manual means somebody has manually stopped these drivers intentionally. I don't know whether it's you, your family member, or somebody else. But right now, the problem you have on your computer is really critical because the drivers, which should be in a running condition, it's not running anymore. So that's a very, very serious problem,
I see.
right?
Yep.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search that virus on Google. Do you remember the name Zeus Zeus
Zeus.
virus?
Yes. Zeus.
Have you ever heard this? Have you ever heard this name before? Do you have any idea about it?
The only Zeus I know is a Greek god.
Exactly, it's a Greek word, but I never heard this name, whether it's a virus Trojan or not.
No.
So what
No.
I'm going to do is I'm going to put that name on Google so that we can read about it properly, so that we came to know about whether it's a small problem or a harmful problem.
So I said it's definitely in my machine now, is it?
I beg your pardon?
Is that Zeus virus definitely in my machine?
Yes, Zeus virus has infected your machine, so we need to check how much infections you have on your computer. First of all, we have to know that we have to check that what kind of virus is this? Zeus, right? So I just put the name on Google so that we can read about it properly. Do you believe in Google, the search engine?
Yeah, I use it all the time. I don't believe everything I read,
Perfect. I would,
especially is
sure.
I
I
don't
need a
believe everything I
favor
read.
from your side. All right. Sir, here I need a favor from your end. I would request you to please read this loudly so that we both can understand
Well,
how harmful that
I
virus
don't need
is
to read it
from
loud.
here.
I can just read it. I don't need to read it out loud. Runs in the
No
version.
problem. No problem.
Yeah, got that. Yeah.
Let me
So banking information
let me
man.
read it for you, okay?
No, I can read it. It's all right.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, I
Because
see. I
sir,
see. Yes, I see. Yep. Yep.
it's I guess it's one of the worst virus you have on your machine because you can see that it's a Trojan horse malware package that runs on version of Microsoft Computer Windows. That means whether you have Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, this virus is going to infect all your version of Microsoft Computer. But the worst part over here we found is it can be used to carry out many malicious and criminal tasks. It is often used to steal banking information by men in the browser, keystroke logging, and form grabbing. That means if you are using your computer browser to open your banking accounts, like whatever,
Yeah.
or maybe for shopping, for online banking, for online shopping, for paying your utility bills, your details can be compromised, and some people can use these details to harm you financially, right? That's what it says. And the worst part about it is, you told me that last time you were trying to open your net banking account from Bank of America when this message popped up,
Yes.
right? Sure. And one more interesting part I can see here is FBI crackdown. Now you can understand how harmful that virus is because even FBI works on this virus. In October 2010, the US FBI announced that hackers in Eastern Europe had managed to infect computers around the world using Zeus. The virus was distributed in email when targeted individuals at businesses and municipalities opened the email. The Trojan software installed itself on the victimized computer, secretly capturing the password, account numbers, and other data to use to log in into online banking accounts.
Yes.
Wow. Now you can understand how harmful that problem is, right?
Yeah.
Let me let me ask you one thing here. Are you the only one who used this computer or somebody else also used this
No,
computer like it?
it gets used by other members of the family too.
Apart from this computer, do you have any other computer, any other device?
Yeah, we have a laptop, but it's not working at the moment.
It's not working?
No, it's broken. The screen's broken.
Sure. Okay, let me tell you one thing first. Being a technician of your Windows computer, I would suggest you one thing here. Till the time you have this virus on your computer and network, do not use your other devices, other laptop and computers. Why? Because the same infection can occur, can transfer to your other laptop as well as your other devices. That means your cell phone, tablet, Kindle, iPad if you have in your home.
Ah,
Why? Because the virus which I showed you, Zeus, that comes with your network. And network is something which is going to connect with all your devices, right? With your cell phone, with your laptop, with your computer, if you have a Wi-Fi connection. So your network is being compromised at the moment. There are some people who can use your network to get into your computer as well as to your other devices. So what we have to do is we have to remove all those people, we have to remove all those infection by using a software. And the name of that software is this, Network Firewall. Have you ever heard this name before, sir?
uh, I've heard it, but I've no idea what it is. I've heard the words before, but that's
Let me
all.
tell you. Exactly. So firewall means something called protective wall. Like you must be having a door in your home so that nobody can enter in your home without your permission, without your knowledge,
Uh huh.
right? That's what it means, firewall. Basically, what we have to do is we have to put the security on your network, same security which I showed you, a firewall. Because firewall is something which is going to protect your network from those unauthorized people who are trying to get into your computer. So what we have to do is we have to put a network firewall. Let me show you how it works. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, sure.
Let me open a picture, a diagram for you so that you can understand how harmful and
Oh,
how it works.
that doesn't look good. All the words are all jumbled up. Oh, that's better.
But sir, the thing is that's a paid software which we have to purchase for all our customer, not only for you, because all because of this virus. I just read from Google. This virus has infected 3.6 million computer in United States, in America only, 3.6 million computer. So now you can understand how important and how harmful that virus is. So we have to put that security to all our Windows customer users so that you can have the peace of mind that in future you will not face this kind of issue again. Sounds good? Here we go. Are you there? Hello, sir, can you hear me?
Hang on, this phone's acting up. Is that better? Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, fine. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. So I was telling you about the firewall stuff over here. So I'm going to use this software, this diagram, so that I can explain you properly. All right?
That's good.
But you can see that I'm getting an error message again and again on your computer. You can see that.
Yeah.
And I'm not even able to open that picture from your computer, all because of your computer is infected at the moment. But still, I'll try my level best. Let me just open in a small window. Hold on. Oh God.
That doesn't look good. What's an error has occurred in the script? Oh.
I must say, sir, your computer is in a critical condition at the moment.
Critical. Wow.
Your computer is not responding in a proper manner. You can see from here the very small picture on the first. You can see there are three computers at the right hand side, and on the left hand side there is only one internet satellite connection, right?
Yes.
There are some lines which is coming from this internet connection to your home computer router. That's your network. The green color line is your network, which is important for you. But just below that and just above that, on this picture, you can see just below that and just above that, there are some red color lines as well, right?
It's very, very difficult to see. Oh, it
So
disappeared.
the red color lines which we have there, no problem. The red color lines which I'm trying to explain you, which I'm trying to show you, is the people who are trying to get into your computer from a different place, from a different area, especially from Eastern Europe. These are some unknown, unauthorized people who are trying to get into your computer, which we have to stop. Now you can see on this picture. Do you see that? The green color line?
Yeah. Yeah.
That green color line is your network, which is very good for you, which is important for you. But the red color lines which we have, that is unauthorized people who are trying to get into your computer, and how we can stop them using this software, firewall security.
Yes.
Once we configure this firewall on your network, that's gonna filter your network, and you can have peace of mind that everything will be safe and secure now. So that your computer and your different laptop will be safe and secure automatically. All right?
Yeah.
Get that?
Yeah.
The first thing is we need to check whether the network firewall is available for your home network or not. So what's your billing address? You have to tell me your billing address first of all, so that I can check with.
It's 1401.
Type.
Oh, sorry. On the screen.
You.
Do you want the zip?
So what's your city name?
California, Los Angeles. LA.
I'm sorry?
Los Angeles.
Los Angeles. And what's your zip code? Because I just need your complete address so that I can check with my team. Thank you so much. Now, please bear with me for at least 1 minute so that I can check the availability of that firewall for your home network, whether it's available for you or not, all right?
Yeah.
And I guess Los Angeles is one of the biggest cities, so I guess it should be here.
Yeah, second
It
busy.
should be able to there. Let me just check.
Second largest city in the States after New York.
Exactly. Yes, that's correct. And yes, finally, that is connected. That is available for your home, for your network. Is that your home network, sir, or it's a work computer?
Yeah, it's a home network, yeah.
Perfect. So that's your home network. I mean, that's your home address, billing address.
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, first of all, yes, finally, I just checked the availability in Las Vegas. Yes, the network firewall is available for there. But now let me just go ahead and type the work which needs to be done on your computer as well as on your computer network. All right?
Yeah.
First of all, the only thing is we need to configure a security software. Once we purchase that, we need to put on your computer and network. That is network firewall, right?
Uh-huh.
Once we configure that network firewall, then only I can go ahead and fix your computer. And the fixing part of your computer is clean up and then tune up and then remove all. Please do not mind my mistakes. Actually, I'm not good at typing at all, sir. All right. Remove all the infected programs from your computer, which comes under the Microsoft part, and then remove all the warning errors which you got on a computer in blue color and black color. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
And then remove the root cause of your problem. Let me type in a capital letters because that's the root cause of your problem. The name is Zeus, Zeus virus.
CUS.
All because of this virus you have this infection, right? And then remove all the foreign IP addresses. That means the unknown people who are trying to get into your computer from a different place.
Oh,
All right.
Foreign address as well. Is
And then
yeah.
And then we have to put the securities once again, Microsoft services, which is not running anymore, and then update all the system drivers so that you can operate your computer and your computer will respond in a proper manner once again, like a brand new machine, like a brand new computer. By the way, how old your computer is, sir?
It's about 5, I think. About 5 years old.
5 years old?
Yeah, something like that. It might be a bit old, I'm not sure. I've had it quite a while.
No problem. Are you the only one who used this computer?
No,
or somebody else also used it?
Some of the family members use it too.
All right. And sir, usually for what purpose you use this computer? For your personal work or for your business work?
It's this one for my personal stuff.
All right. That's a complete 100% work which we have to perform on a computer. All right.
Yeah.
Sure. As I told you that I'm a part of a Microsoft services, so I can go ahead and perform this work on a computer. That comes under my part. That comes under my hand. So that's the computer part. So definitely I can go ahead and perform this work. And by performing this work, your computer will be good to go for you. Your computer will be fixed. And your computer is likely to go for you once I complete this 100% work. But the problem for me is until and unless we don't put this network firewall on your network, the problem will remain the same once I disconnect your computer from my network. Why? Because if I go ahead and fix your computer, or maybe you dump this computer and purchase a new computer for your home network for yourself, once you come back to home, the problem will remain the same. Why? Because the network is still infected, right? So the root cause of...
Sorry, go on.
Please go.
Yeah, I don't understand what you mean by the network is infected. I don't understand that. I thought the network was just pieces of wire, piece of cable and stuff.
Sir, I can understand that your computer is connected with a wire, that's a wired connection. But to connect with internet, we need a network. Let me give you an example. If you have a cell phone, you have a SIM card in your cell phone. So you can make a call by using a network, right?
Yeah.
If all we need a network to connect with internet services, and we get that network from satellite connection from here. That's the internet satellite connection where
Yes.
the whole world is connected.
So the internet's infected.
Exactly. The internet network is infected basically. So if we fix your computer, so that is just a waste of time as well as a waste of money because the problem is comes in your internet network, right? So first of all, we have to fix your internet network connection, then only we can fix your computer. And how we can do that using this firewall software. So that network firewall is something which is very, very important at this part of time. Now you got that?
Yeah, but what about my hardware firewall?
I beg your pardon?
What about my hardware firewall?
It's not a hardware, sir. It's a network firewall which
Yeah.
we have to put on your network, on your iCloud.
Yeah, yes, but what about
And that network for
Sorry, go on.
uh-huh.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, please go ahead. What if what?
What about my hardware firewall?
Sir, hardware firewall is going to protect your computer only. That comes from Microsoft department, but that is not good enough to protect your network. Why? Because that network is something which is invisible. The security which you have, the computer firewall which you have, that is going to protect your computer only. But that is not good enough to protect your network. Why? Because that's a network issue. Network is something which is invisible, which is completely a different thing. And that's why those people come up with a new strategy, and that is your network. Firstly, they have hacked your network, and with the help of network, they can easily get into your computer. And that's why your computer firewall is not able to protect your network. So all we need to do is put a network firewall, and then only you can have the peace of mind that now everything has been fixed. That's it. And that network firewall comes with 3 levels, wherein you will get 1 year of support. That means 1 year of warranty for your computer once again from Microsoft, plus complete 3 years of network security.
Yeah.
All right. And level 2 is the same, but the difference in between level 1 and level 2 is now this time you will get complete 3 years of network. I'm sorry, 3 years of support on this computer. Support
Yeah.
means warranty. Do not get confused. And network security you will get for your home network for complete 5 years. All right. And the last one is something which is for the Royal Platinum customers because that one is quite costly as well. Let me tell you why. Because level 3 is something wherein you will get support for 2 devices. This one is going to cover up to 2 devices plus complete 5 years of unlimited technical support. That means within 5 years, if you have any kind of problem, one time in a day or maybe 10 times in a day. All you need to do is contact them again and they will fix your computer problem as well as your network problem for the rest of your life. Why? Because you will get in this level 3 lifetime network security. That means network firewall. And this one is going to provide you support for up to 2 devices. So that's why
Yes.
this one is quite costly as well. All right? You
Yeah.
get that?
Yeah.
So that is something which is network firewall is something which is not in my hand. So we are going to purchase that software from a network team, which we have in our technicians. And the work which is in my hand, that is this work, so that I can fix your computer. So if I perform only this work, then only in that case also we can fix your computer and make this computer good to go for you. But this thing will like one time fix. We can fix your computer by performing this work computer, this work only for one time. And this one time fix is going to cost you only $99 for 99 cents because we have to replace the drivers.
Yeah. $100. That's not bad.
All right. Yes, for the computer's fixation only.
Yeah.
For the computer part, if I perform this 100% work, that's gonna cost only $99, so that we can make this computer good to go for you. But the firewall software which we have to purchase from network team, and even we have to purchase for your computer and network part. The first one, which is for complete level one, that's gonna cost you $199 for 99 cents. And the second one, which is for complete 5 year of network security, that's gonna cost you $399 for 99 cents. But the last one, as I told you, it's quite costly as per the level one and level two. Why? Because that's a lifetime network firewall for two computer, for two devices. All right. So that's why that's gonna cost $799 for 99 cents.
800
If you
bucks.
want
Wow.
my suggestion,
Yep.
let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing here, which is very beneficial and important for you. You must be thinking that these prices are quite costly, but it's not. Let me tell you why. Because that is not for the computer. In this amount, you can purchase two computer or one good computer. That is
Yeah.
one thing for sure.
Easy.
But that is the network security. That is going to protect whole your family network. So that's why it is costly. And trust me, if you will arrange a network technician in your home network in your location in Las Vegas, in Los Angeles, I'm
Los
sorry.
Angeles.
So the only option you have is you have to contact a technician who will come down to your home, and then they will fix your network and computer with a local software. But the only problem with those network local technician is they will use a local software, and they won't provide you any single day of warranty. If you will face the same problem within a couple of days or maybe within a couple of months, so maybe you have to pay the same amount again. Why? Because that's the only option you have to protect your network. So, but right now you're dealing with a certified technician from Microsoft. So we are going to provide you the software, which is a genuine certified software from Microsoft itself, so that you will get a warranty on it. Warranty means you will get a customer ID with this software,
Mm-hmm.
and to make a note of that customer ID. Once we provide you that customer ID, you have to make a note of it, so that in future, whenever you need any kind of help, you have to contact us on our toll-free number and let me know your customer ID, so that with the help of your customer ID, we can pull up your records that yes, we do have a customer with the name of, your good name is Richard.
Yeah.
That's right.
Richard Forbes Hamilton.
Yes. So with the help of that customer ID, which I'm going to provide you, we can pull up your record that yes, we do have a customer with the name of Richard, your last name is whatever, and the name from where we are going to use purchase that network security is business solution.
Forbes Hamilton.
Well, that's not a problem, because we are going to make a note in our database that yes, we do have a customer with the name of your name.
Yeah.
And that's a Microsoft Certified Technicians Department.
Yep.
All right. And the best part for this software is, sir, in every 3 months you will receive a call from one of our technicians for the confirmation that everything is running fine with your computer or not. You can say like a feedback call, like a service call in every 3 months. In every 3 months, you will receive a call from our customer technicians who will check your computer in every 3 months regularly, that everything is fine, everything is correct or not with the computer, everything is safe and secure or not. So that's the best part of the software, which nobody can provide you. All right?
Yeah.
So in order to purchase that software and register you and provide you the customer ID, I just need your name and your email ID so that I can register you and purchase that software for you. Do you have a working email with you, sir?
Yeah, can I just show you something first? Can I show you something
please
first?
go ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll just... I don't want to save that. Cancel. Oh, I don't. Cancel.
You can minimize that.
Yeah, I'll just, yeah.
Let me do that, hold on. Please leave your mouse, let me do that.
Does that look familiar to you? Can you see
Let me
that?
check.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
Well, that's the hardware firewall I've got. You know, I was asking you about
Okay. And that's for your computer.
You know, it's not for my network. You know, I was asking you about a hardware firewall. That's
Yes.
That's what I've got. One of them. See this? Trusted zones. DMZ. Demilitarized zone. So I'm just wondering if that Zeus virus has got into my machine. Because this stops everything. Absolutely everything.
Then how is it possible?
I don't know.
How is it possible?
Maybe it's
you have a pretty good knowledge about things.
Yeah, well, no, it's just that I was recommended this by a friend.
Okay. Sir, you are correct at your point. That's what I'm trying to explain you, that you do have a proper securities and firewall for your computer. I do appreciate that. I really appreciate that.
Yeah.
But this time, why you got this problem? Because your network is being compromised.
No.
Securities and firewall is not.
No, it wasn't that. It's because that's a fake. It's a fake website. It's simply a JavaScript file. It's fake.
Well, yes. Nowadays, what happens? Some people put some infected
links
on some famous website.
But the fake website has your telephone number on it.
I'm sorry?
The fake JavaScript web page, the fake blue screen of death has got your telephone number on it. So you're just a scammer.
Okay. Do you think that I'm a scammer?
I know you are.
You know we are.
Yep. Because you told me lies.
Who we are?
You said to me, this is infected with a Zeus virus. It's not. There's no viruses on here at all.
What it's not?
None at all.
There is no virus at all?
No.
How can you say that?
Because I know there's none.
What?
No viruses on here. And Syskey's not going to work either. I said, that's not going to work. It's already been Syskeyed, sorry.
Why, sir?
Because it's already been, it's already got the Syskey applied. So what you just did, try to lock my machine, is not going to work. And anyway,
it's not going to work.
No. Do what you like, I don't care.
So I just tell you that the work which we have to perform on a computer. If you don't want to do that, no problem. That's completely your wish.
Well, why try and Syskey it then? Why did you try to Syskey my machine? Why did you just try to Syskey my machine?
So that we can check that whether we require a security for your computer or not.
No. Syskey,
which you told me.
Syskey is a SAM database encryption tool. You know that as well as I do. It's a SAM database encryption tool, which you try to apply, so to lock me out of my machine. But you can do what you like to this machine because I've got a system image, and I shall just restore the system image as soon as we're finished. Mad chod.
Okay. Sorry?
You're a scammer, admit it. What you told me was nothing but lies, 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 and more lies. You knew it, and I knew it.
Hello?
You've gone very quiet. Have you got nothing to say?
Hello? You there?
Have you got nothing to say?
Hello?
I'm here, you can hear me. You can hear me all right.
Hello? Are you there?
I was just open a notepad and we'll go and play with that, eh?